this is Kings for the Misa, and I'll walk you through my project. We'll start by signing up. So let's say the person we are registering is called um let me say admin. The last name is maybe um Emisa. The email can be admin at ashesi.edu.gh. Then the ID, let's give the first one to it. The phone number here, you would have to use +223, otherwise you have an error. So plus, okay, let me just give this one to it. Then password, then you confirm your password. With this one, you would have to insert 8-digit password, otherwise you would have an error. So from here we can upload our profile picture. So since it's an admin, I've prepared some pictures here that we'll choose from. So this can be our admin. Yeah, good. Now we can sign up. So you could see that a message has been popped up to you that registration has been successful. Now we can log in as an admin. So as an admin, come here, you put in your email, admin@ashesi.edu, your password, then you log in. So if you log in, initially it will take you to the user page. So this is how the user page looks like. Then from there, in order to have control over the back end, you can decide to make this user an admin or a user or a resource manager. So we'll go and make this user an admin. So we'll go to our we come to the database, then we make this person an admin. So we'll go to user. Now user row, you can see that here the user row is 3, which is for students. So I am going to make it an admin, which is 1. So edit. Now this is the user row. We make it 1 administrator, then we go. Good. So now this person has been logged in as an admin. I'll log out and log in again so that you see how the admin page looks like. So you could see that the dashboard is actually different from the first dashboard that we had. Admin is able to allocate resource managers, is able to see the resources. If you come here, you can go more, then you can read about it. Yeah, so basically that's how the admin dashboard looks like. Now I'll sign up again. I'll sign another user as a staff. So staff 1, then so this is the staff here. So the role, this person is a staff or resource manager. Good. Good. So this is the dashboard for the resource manager. If you come to the dashboard of resource manager, this is what we have here. They are able to approve bookings, and they can also assign resources. Like resources can be assigned to them by the admins. Yeah. So I will now go back and create a student user. So the name can be student 1. Now you can sign up. Yeah, it has been successfully signed up. Wrong password. So student 1. Yep. 8. Okay. So this is the student dashboard. So as a student, you can book resources. Yeah, so there are resources around. You can book any of them. And after booking, you'll be able to see it on your dashboard. Yeah. So booking request, and you have your pending request also there. Then events will also be shown to you. Yeah, let's say this student, okay, the resources are not now located yet. Yeah, so you can book any of them. So this student is able to book, and when you want to book, you would have to fill these forms. Yeah, so for now, I'll go back to the admin page, and as an admin, you can check the resources that are here, and you have control over here. As an admin, you can delete a resource, we can edit it. So example, let's say this resource FabLab, we can decide to delete it. So okay, we could see that now FabLab is no more here, and this admin is also able to add resources to the resources available here. So let's say we are adding FabLab that we just deleted. FabLab. So FabLab is at let's say it's at FabLab. Then we'll choose a picture. So this is actually the FabLab rooftop. Choose a picture of FabLab rooftop, and here we go. FabLab has successfully been added to the resources. If you come here, you can see the details. You can see that right now is inactive because no one is using it. Now we can add more to it. Let's say we add the seminar room 2. Seminar room 2 is at the library. Yep. Choose a picture of the seminar room. This is the seminar room here. We add it to it. So the seminar room 2 has been added. As an admin, you can also allocate resource managers. So right now we don't have any resource managers here. So now we can add resource managers. Select manager, let's say staff 1. The department, let's say staff 1. Let me choose library. Seminar room 1 is being assigned to staff 1. So from here you can see that staff 1 has been added and it has been assigned to seminar room 1. You have the option to edit or delete as well. You come here, you can see the details. You can see that staff 1, this is the email of staff 1, the ID, the department, the phone number, and the resource that has been assigned to staff 1. I'm going to assign more resources to staff members. So I'll log out. We are going to log in as a student, and let me say student 1. So now we log in. We have the option to book request, and we can see our pending request. So let me go to my request. Good. So I can book the box. Good. Okay, it has been submitted successfully. Sorry, if you come to your dashboard, you can see that now the request 1, at your pending request, there is the box there which is pending, is waiting for the staff member to actually approve it. You can see me add one more booking to this one. So let me say the grow, and we submit now. Good. So right now, if we go to our dashboard, we should see 2 pending events. So good. You can decide to cancel your request. Yep, you can decide to cancel your request. So if we log out right now, all right. So this is staff 2's dashboard. We'll check our approved bookings. So if you come here, you can see that the person who is trying to request to use this resource, student 1, the details of the student is there, and also the purpose. Now, as a staff, you have the right to just consider the purpose of using the resource, whether it makes sense or it doesn't make sense, or when you can either decide to approve or you can decide to deny. So right now we'll approve it for this student. Now let's go to the student page and see whether it will come as an approved. Good. So if you come to the student one dashboard, you can see that this one has been approved by the staff member or the resource manager. It has been approved. Now it's inactive. Like